animal hospital with my brother. You good right now?
Yeah, I'm good. Come on, let's go.
Alright. I've never played this game and I'm back. Bro, come. Yeah. And we're back. I'm back on YouTube. Finally, after so long. And let's start now. I haven't been playing. So this is my first Animal Hospital video. It's been blowing up on YouTube recently. So, I mean, of course I'm gonna try it. Yeah. What do you think I am? Anyways, we got my brother. Okay. What is this dude? Afro looking
Oh, I'm the secretary. That means you're gonna be the one who's gonna do all the nurse and stuff. So.
Yeah, let me just get the coffee first. Thank you. Bye.
The first visitors, the anomalies are not gonna come to like the shutters and the.
Hello, are you good? Let me go by. I know the ins and out of this game, guys, so let's get herbs. And then I'm pretty sure it'll be in room 1. So let's wait over here. Okay, you go, room 1. Also, let me sip this coffee in your face, bro. I've played this game before. I know everything. I'm gonna do another video on this. Cause like, why wouldn't I do another video on this? Okay, hello. Let me take your DNA sample. Analyze you. And put you here. Anyways, guys. Since I haven't been posting for a while, this week is going to be crazy stomach. Yeah. Always herbs. I played this game before, guys. Who do you think I am? Anyways, next patient. What's the next patient? I heard the patients here aren't really sick. You ain't sick?
I think he's talking about the anomalies who just come in here to eat people's bones and serve them like noodles.
Ooh. Can you keep this family friendly, please?
Okay.
20, 30, 40, 50.
So, maybe he needs eye drops.
He needs eye drops. I don't think so.
Yeah, he needs eye drops.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, he got red eyes.
Oh.
I got it, don't worry.
I thought you were supposed to be doing the register, bro.
Well, we need to treat these patients for the next shift. Oh,
The shutters operational.
Yeah, our first shift. So now we should look. Now let me take care of
Did I just jump on some? Did I just jump on? Oh.
Oh God, it's an anomaly.
Who's it? Okay.
Oh God, it's an anomaly. Wait, do you think let him in?
Yeah. Let him in, cause like it still counts as something. See, guys, I'm smart. What's up? You have an appointment. Also, just.
He has a 50% chance of becoming the skinwalker, and just me, I don't think we can survive him.
Okay. I don't care. Should I be AFK for a minute? I'll be AFK for a minute. Tell me what happens. Nothing bad would happen, right?
Come on, speaking of that,
I'ma be AFK.
Oh.
Guys, did anything happen?
An anomaly.
Did you use the wrong type of medicine on it?
No.
Oh crap, he's really cooked.
I just left.
Ooh, you should have left him in.
I don't think it'd be a waste of time.
Alright.
Let's just deny them. We get more credit if we don't allow. Oh, look, decided to come. Run from the fountain. what's his question?
He just says,
Did you hear that noise?
bro, you don't need voice chat, bro. I can hear you from the other
Hi,
side.
my name is Ron from accounting.
Also,
Do you wonder why they keep hiring new people?
never mind. Got throat problems, bro.
Treat the patient
What's
in
good?
area number 2.
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing, bro. That's what I'm doing. Analyze sample. -1 job stress. Wow, I got job stress. Number 1. No one's in number 1. Why is it flashing red? And I can't leave. What game should I play next? Dried eyes. Eye drops. Let's go. What the hell?
He's tweaking out.
Bro's
Do not let him
tweaking
in.
out. Let me check. Wow. No, he's good. He's good.
What should we run from accounting?
Oh, you let him run from accounting. Wow. Oh, let me get eye drops for this guy. Anyways, you should be recovering. Hello. My trick is to always jump over here, and by the time you come back, it'll be done. You got Canadian and dried eyes, bro. That's so racist.
I thought you said friendly.
That's racist,
I'll
though.
treat the guy
Canadian is
I'll treat the guy
crazy.
number 5.
All right.
You just leave.
What is the guy name?
It's about to end.
All right. 63 as an intern? Wow, very nice. Anyways, the coffee I guess is almost ready. So, did you get the coffee? Because it was ready before.
Yeah, I already got the coffee.
Oh, good. What's your sanity?
60.
Oh, yeah. Less than me, but not cooked. We have supplies. Please, please, please. Bro, I need more money for that. More money for... Oh, never mind. This guy hates chocolate in real life, man.
Oh, the chocolate is super. Buy the patient recovery thing.
Nah.
Why?
Ooh, Rafi. What's up, bro? Can't stop laughing at his model. He looks so ugly.
Don't make fun
Okay, guys. I shouldn't make fun of my boy Rafi. Let me treat him, whatever thing it is. We're gonna speed run through this game, bro. Speed